This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Yesterday's topic was personal ID procedures in tax, and today we're going to deal with business ID procedures. Now, every small business owner and their accountants should have a system of collecting, checking, verifying, and storing safely and securely all of the items connected to business ID. Let's run through those quickly. First of all, it starts with a EIN, Employer Identification Number. Even if you're not an employer, just a business, you still need the number. They're free from the IRS, and we usually start there. When you get the letter from them, whether it's an electronic letter or in the mail, keep it, save it, and read it. There is important information in there that we may need to refer to later related to the type and format of entity. Second is usually a state business registration. I don't know about all states, but as far as I know, all the ones that I deal with require a business registration for just about any person or entity doing any kind of business within their borders. So there's going to be a business registration number. Also, if we're incorporating or forming an LLC, we're actually creating another entity with the Secretary of State of that particular state. It's a state of our choosing. So we need to get that filing. And if it's a certificate of incorporation, it is important to notice both the number and the date of incorporation. That number will be used to access online services later. Beyond that, if there is any history of a filing, and particularly when there's a tax problem, obviously my website, taxproblems.cpa, I deal with a lot of tax problems. If there's a history of a problem, there's usually a case number associated with that, and it's very important to have that number. I just wrapped up a case where the business owner wasted months and time, and then got me involved, and I wound up wasting time because we didn't have the correct business identification number to start with. I would love to hear your thoughts, experiences, comments, or feedback. Please use the comments on social media where you see this post, or if you want to talk one-on-one, I'm easy to reach through taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow with another tax